In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom sections in Slack. Whether you're organizing different projects, department discussions, or just want to tidy up your workspace, custom sections are a great tool to help you stay organized. To start, open your Slack application and navigate to the channels section of your workspace. You should see a list of channels there. Click on any channel and you'll notice a small drop-down menu right next to it. This drop-down is the gateway to creating your own custom sections. Next, click on the drop-down menu. You'll find an option named Create Section. Go ahead and select that. Now it's time to give your new section a name. Maybe it's for all your marketing channels, your favorite team discussions, or personal project spaces. Whatever it is, make sure the name clearly reflects its purpose. Once you've come up with the perfect name, enter it in the designated field. One of the fun parts of creating sections in Slack is that you can also customize the icon. With different icons available, you can match them to your section's theme or choose something that makes you smile every time you see it. Be creative and pick an icon that stands out and makes the section easily recognizable at a glance. After you've set both the name and the icon for your section, find the Create button. Go ahead and click it. Just like that, you've created a custom section in Slack. But what if you find that one isn't enough, or you think of another useful group of channels you'd like to separate? Don't worry, you can add more sections in the same way. There's no limit to how organized you can be. If after some time you decide you'd like to tweak or reorganize these sections, Slack makes it simple. Navigate to any section and you'll see an option labeled Edit All Sections. Selecting this allows you to edit or even delete sections as you see fit. You can change names, switch icons, or even reassign channels to different sections. Within the editing mode, you're free to select channels, add them to existing sections, or move them to new ones. To do this, find the channel you wish to relocate and click on Move To. This will bring up an option to move to new section. Simply type in the name for this new section and then click Create to establish it. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your different sections and their contents, make sure to click Done to save your changes. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of creating and managing custom sections in Slack, effectively transforming your workspace to suit your personal and professional needs. Enjoy your newly organized Slack experience.